Want to hang your solid wood frames safely and securely? Using D-rings is one of the easiest and most reliable ways to get your artwork on the wall, whether it's in landscape or vertical orientation. In this guide, we'll show you how to do it step by step. In order to get started, here are the tools you'll need: a tape measure, a level, a pencil, a screwdriver or a drill, wall anchors and screws that are rated for the frame's weight. First, locate the D-rings on the back of your frame. Use a tape measure to measure the distance between the D-rings. Write that measurement down. For this particular 18 by 24 tempered glass frame from Frame Amo, the distance was 19.5 inches. Next, transfer that measurement to the wall at the height of your choosing. We recommend hanging frames at or near eye level. Use a level to mark where your screws or hooks will go. This ensures that your frame hangs straight, avoiding crooked artwork or uneven gallery walls. Next, pick the right wall hardware. For heavier frames, use wall anchors or screws rated for the frame's weight. Lighter frames can usually be hung with nails or hooks. Always check the weight limits on your hardware before hanging. Carefully hang the frame by sliding the D-rings onto your screws or hooks. Once the frame is on the wall, use a level again to make any minor adjustments. For added stability, you can add wall bumpers to the bottom corners to prevent rocking or scratches. And that's it. With D-rings, your frames are secure, level, and ready to display. Whether you're hanging a single statement piece or a full gallery wall, these simple steps keep your solid wood frames looking perfect and safe for years to come.